guys, and welcome back to Living with Chanel. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need arrow, which I have soaked for 1 day. You have to soak it at least 8 hours if it's dry, because this is a dry version. If it's fresh, you don't have to do this. Chopped spinach, this is frozen. Smoked turkey, what we call home Kanda, this is cow skin. Fresh beef, dry fish, salt, cube, dry shrimp. I am going to eat mine with Gary.